Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So in today's video we're looking at how you can potentially earn over $5,000 from just one YouTube video. And look, you can earn a lot more than that, and we've covered this in the past. And look, if you like, making money online, come over to my blog, which you can see on the screen, and just come and have a look. We've got earning online, side hustles, we've got an interview series, we've got sections for affiliate marketing and also YouTube. Okay, so in today's video what I'm going to be sharing with you, I'm doing this method myself. It's not difficult and anybody can do this. So let me jump over here and I'll share this with you now. So this is over on one of my other channels. This is my specifically affiliate marketing channel. Now on here, if I just scroll up to the top, you can see on this channel in the last 28 days it's had over 6,000 views, which is pretty awesome. Now, from those 6,000 views, YouTube have paid me the grand total of $111. Here's the cool thing. On this channel, in the last 28 days, I've uploaded just one video. This one over here, okay? One video, and YouTube has paid me $111. So it's very passive indeed. Now, if we scroll down the page here, you can see your top videos in this period. So if we come down here, we've got this one, all of these. Now, all of these videos are getting views on YouTube because I've learned how to rank YouTube videos. And again, it's not a difficult process, but I want to share this one here with you. So you see this automated affiliate marketing websites. In the last 28 days, it's had 336 views. But this video I put out in August of last year. So, it's a few months old. It's only 12 minutes long. It's currently earned over $47 from YouTube, and even now it's still getting views. So, $47 for a 12-minute video, I think you'd be pretty happy with that. But as I've mentioned in the past, YouTube AdSense, it's nice, but you can earn a hell of a lot more money with affiliate marketing. Now, if I scroll down the page here, let me go to details and I'll show you this. We're going to scroll down the page here, and I'll show you where this video currently ranks on YouTube when anybody types in these search terms. So you can see this here, look, automated affiliate marketing. If someone was to go onto YouTube and type in the search bar this exact keyword, this video is currently ranked in position number 1. We've then got automated affiliate marketing system. Again, this video, position number 3, automated affiliate marketing, position 2, position 3, and we've also got this one over here, 27. So one video, he's getting rankings for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different search terms. So 5 different ways people are potentially finding out about this 12-minute video. But the other thing, and people don't know this about YouTube, if you come over to analytics, and we're going to come in here, let's just go down, and in fact, let me go up here, and you can see, look, over on the right-hand side, where is this traffic coming from? So we've got the YouTube search, which is whereby someone's typing this on YouTube. We've also got direct or unknown. We've got other YouTube features, and we've got external. And if I click on see more, it might tell us a little bit. It's not, let me go into, it's not, no. But if I come out of that and go on to here, so you can see this video, it's getting views in so many different ways. Where it says over on here, we've got other YouTube features, this could be in the up next category. It could also be on the home page, or what is known as the browse page. And, YouTube can recommend your videos for you. And, the one video that you put out today can bring you in money, for months and even years down the line. But here's the cool thing. So, because I'm sure many of you will be watching saying, I thought this was $5,000, not 47. It's not. If I scroll, let me just click on details. So people are going on YouTube and they're typing in these search terms because, they're interested in this. They want to learn how to, automate affiliate marketing, how to, set up systems and other bits. If I come up here, this video is all about, as you can see here, grab this awesome software. It's recommending a piece of software which builds I can't even speak. It builds automated websites. Now that piece of software is called YT Evolution. And if I come over here, you can see this is over in Warrior Plus. This is the product YT Evolution. In its lifetime, since I started, recommending and sharing that, it's had 698 hops. So that means people have landed over on the sales page. I've had 121 sales. with a 17.3% conversion rate, which has earned the grand total of $5,025. And also, you see here where it says hot, we've got an average earning of $7.20. So what that means is everybody who I've sent over to the sales page, every person equates to $7.20. So it's pretty good. Now, sales don't come in every single day, but if I just go up here and I'll show you this for, let's go to today, for example, we can see, look, so today we've had 4 people go over to the sales page, and they haven't bought that, and that's absolutely fine. But if I click on, let's just say last week, let's see if we've got anything on it for last week. Nothing for last week. Let's just go on last 30 days and we'll have a look at that. So in the last 30 days, I've had 9 sales. 9 sales, which is equated to $378. And I've not had to do anything for this, have I? It's passive because I've gone ahead, I've created the video, which is basically me just doing what I'm doing now, where I'm just waffling and I'm walking people through this process. I have an affiliate link down here, and this video now, not only is it earning money from YouTube in terms of the AdSense, it's also earning money from affiliate marketing. And that's just one video that we have on YouTube. If I come back over here onto the home page, you can see on this channel here, in the last 48 hours, it's had 328 views. So it's pretty good because all of these videos, they're working every single, they're working for me. And you can see we've got all of these, and inside of all of these videos, probably, yeah, most of these, they will have a link to an affiliate product of some kind. If I click on launch jacking, let's have a look at this one really quickly. This is a 16-minute video. It's earned $100 in the last, in the last 48 hours. We have had 62 views, and again, where are those views coming from? YouTube search, browse features, other YouTube features, suggested videos. So if I scroll down to the bottom, let's just see where this is currently ranking in the search term. So let's just come down here and let's have a look. And here we go. So look, launch jacking. This video is currently ranked in position number 3. This one here, 4, 7, 10, etc., etc. So this method, it works. It's simple. Yes, it takes some time and effort and consistency, but it isn't a difficult process. And once you, start getting your videos ranking, they can be bringing you in money from, as we've seen over here, from YouTube AdSense. But if you partner this up with, an affiliate marketing product in any category or any niche, you can earn some pretty decent money. Like this one over here, this is sending them over to an affiliate marketing website. So look, if you want to learn more about this process and how it works, I have got a full free YouTube course down below, and I'll walk you through this whole process of how to, set up your channel, how to create your videos on camera, off camera. We look at finding affiliate products, we do keyword research, and lots more. Because it's like most things, it does take some time, it does take some effort, but once you get this up and running, it isn't a difficult process at all. And every video that you put onto YouTube, in the beginning, it might not just take off like that. It might start very slow, but then what happens over time, as these videos start ranking on YouTube and YouTube starts sharing it for you, you can be earning a pretty decent income. And look, if I had more time, then I would be creating more videos over on this channel here. But $100 in AdSense earnings, it's pretty good for one video in 28 days. But if I then went and looked at my affiliate marketing earnings, they will be probably times 10 or 11 of this amount of money down here. But this is potentially how you can earn over $5,000 from one video. We go ahead and we decide on a category or a niche. We then look at some different products in that niche that we want to market and share, or promote basically, where we're sharing a link down below in our YouTube description box. Once we've done that, we create the channel, we create the videos, we upload them onto YouTube, and we include our affiliate links. And look, there's a link to the course down below. If you want to go ahead and check it out, then please do so. And I also have more resources over on my blog. If you come over here and click on YouTube, we've got lots of different articles on here. You can see like how to get more views, thumbnails, there's a course on here, how to get more subscribers, and lots more. But that is how you can potentially earn over $5,000 from just one YouTube video. So look, if you found that interesting or you got value from it, please give the video a like. I'd really appreciate that. If you have any comments or questions, let me know. But thanks for watching, have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.